Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So, I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas here and I've covered it with Cyan Blue. I have a number of colours, mainly blues, so we'll just run through them while I'm busy. So this is turquoise, and I'll just put some down first. So I'm just thinking, I'm going to try and do like a deconstructed Dutch pour, and then I'll put a little bit of white on there. And then I have turquoise. And in my turquoise I do have some medium in it. It's like a metallic medium. And then I'm going to go in with just a tiny, like a smidgen of yellow. Torch. Actually, I think I'm just wondering, yeah, let's lay down all the colours first. We'll go with one here, here, and then some white, and turquoise, and a smidgen of yellow. And then we go again. And white. And go with blue again. So this medium that I've put in is an iridescent medium. And a little bit of yellow. So that is fluorescent yellow. Okay, so let's give that a torch. We can see how that goes. Alright, so even though the cyan blue is actually a transparent colour, it's going to dry quite dark. one actually turned out quite nice. I'm going to have to blow these two. Okay guys, I'll show you from this angle first. I really love all of those cells that have come up. Then I'll show you from this angle. I know that light is a nuisance. Put the light off. I love all those little cells there. Colours within colour. And there's the upside down one. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.